Hi children, how are you doing? Good? Great. My story's name is The Balloon. It was raining heavily outside and Chinu was just having a look at the rain. He was very bored. He wanted to go out and play but could not go. It was raining so heavily for last 3-4 days. He had not been out at all. He just wished that rain will stop and he will go outside to play. He was just thinking, what if, what if there was a shell like, chicken, baby chicken? When the baby chick, is completely ready to come out of the shell, at that time, the chick is breathing and getting oxygen from outside and breathing out carbon dioxide, and that is done through the pores of the shell. So that shell, which whatever we call as egg, that egg shell has thousands of pores which allow the chick to take oxygen from outside and breathe out carbon dioxide. So Chino thought, what if I had a shell or a balloon in which I could sit and I could breathe in the oxygen from outside and breathe out the carbon dioxide from inside, that will also go in the atmosphere, and I could sit in that balloon. And one more thing, if I could see the outside world and the outside world will not be able to see me. Wow, what a fantastic idea, Pita. Is it possible to happen that this will happen? Hmm? He was thinking and dreaming, and that time a voice came. Tathastu. What? Tathastu. And he saw a shell or balloon like structure was getting formed in front of him. Faint blue whitish shell with shining color, just of the shape of a big balloon, was getting formed in front of him. He thought, oh, can I enter in this balloon? The voice came, you may. Oh, he was very much fascinated. And Chino said, how to enter in this balloon? The voice said, just push your right toe to the balloon and you will enter inside. Now Chino wanted to experiment. He put his right toe in, touched the right toe to the balloon and went inside. Just ran here and there in the garden. You could see flowers, you could see butterflies, but the rain was heavy. Still, Chino was not getting wet. And he was very safe inside the balloon. He was very happy and he was able to see everything from inside. He was very happy. At that time, he heard mommy say, oh, what a beautiful balloon in our garden. Maybe our neighbors have purchased a balloon and the wind has blown the balloon in our backyard. Wow, beautiful. And she went inside for her work. Now Chinu thought that that means mommy was not able to see him. Oh my god, all his wishes had come true. He went outside in the garden, in the public garden, went there, had a ride on the slide, he rode the merry-go-round, he ran here and there, went to the swimming pool, swam for a while. He was very happy. He could do whatever he wanted and no one was scolding him because no one was able to see him. People were feeling that the wind had blown a balloon everywhere and the balloon was moving here and there. After a while, after some time, he felt little. Yeah, he was hungry. He thought of going back home. He went home, came inside the kitchen. He said, Mommy, I'm hungry. Get me lunch. Mommy could not hear him. Mommy was instead, Chinu, Chinu, where are you? It's lunchtime. Come soon. Aren't you hungry? Now Chinu realized that he was not been seen by Mommy, but even Mommy was not able to hear him. Oh, now what to do? Chinu was feeling hungry and still he was not able to get food. Oh my god, what a mistake I have made. I asked the holy house voice how to enter the balloon, but did not ask how to come out. My goodness, I made a great mistake. Now he was totally frightened and he was desperate to come out. He banged the shell, tried to break it, but it was not getting break. It was very tough. Now Chinu was very sad. He started crying. At that time, the voice came. Ah, you want to come out? Chinu said, Yes, I'm sorry. I did not ask you earlier. The voice said, Look at the dot and push your right toe to that particular dot and you will come out. Chinu pushed his right toe on the dot and he came out of the shell. Shell vanished. And Mommy came, Oh, Chinu, where were you? It's time for lunch. Come, let's have lunch. They sat, they had a nice lunch. Chinu's tummy was full. And he started thinking, Oh, what if I could enter the balloon again? And I thought, will that balloon be able to protect me from the bacteria and viruses from outside? Oh, what a fascinating thing. Oh no. Now Chinu was cautioned. He did not want to experiment it